Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Jamaica Stock Exchange is urging more companies to take advantage of the excess cash in the economy to raise funds for expansion. The call follows the initial public offer of Lumber Depot, which was oversubscribed by 950%.
Of the $169 million that we look to raise, we got in excess of over 1 billion Jamaican dollars.
It's a recurring trend on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, especially in recent times. Investors exhibiting more confidence in Jamaican businesses and willing to put their money behind them. The trend is also leading market experts to conclude that the full potential of the market is not being exploited.
This shows that there are monies out there looking for good investment prospects. I take this opportunity to implore companies that need to expand, purchase new equipment, or get into the export market to take advantage of the equity markets. The prospects are right, and there is no better time than now.
So far, the junior market is growing at a steady pace, but the JSE wants more companies to get in while the market is still vibrant.
If the listing continues on the junior market at the speed they are going, in short order, the junior market companies will overtake the main market in terms of listing.
Lumber Depot, which started trading at $1.20, gained 39 cents to close at $1.59. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $134.81. Now, the Canadian dollar is at $103.03. The pound sterling goes for $180, while the euro sells for $150.57. And the JSE main index declined by 504 points today, while the junior market index gained 33. Among the winners were Lumber Depot, Mailpack, 138 Student Living, SSL Venture Capital, and Siboney Group. Now on the losing side were Sterling Investments, Knoxford Express Services, Fosrich, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Cygnus Credit Investments. And that's the business day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.